Hello, I'm in a 2011 Buick Enclave, and today we're going to open the trunk. So first, from your keys or the door, make sure everything's unlocked fully. Here's the door button. Also, you might have a button on here that'll open the trunk. Just push it and push and hold it. Might open it for you, which it just popped on mine. So we'll go check it out. So sure enough, it did open. It's got these nice lifters too, so make it more convenient if they're working properly. But that's what the locking mechanism looks like. So if you got some debris stuck in here, that might be some of your issue. And this is where it hooks onto. Same thing if there's debris or this is bent somehow or something's out of alignment, that could cause issues. If you're having issues getting this open at all, you can always go in from the back. So you might have to pull this plastic apart, go in through this cap. But there should be a way you can get inside that to release it from the inside. So I hit this button to automatically close it. And then say it didn't pop for you all the way, there should be a button right here you can push, which worked. But you can see it right here. And then obviously this is electric controlled, so you want to make sure you have power to your car for this to work properly. So if you got a dead battery, you want to address that first to get this open. That's it. I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.